Hello guys! So bago ang lahat, please subscribe sa my YouTube channel. And today's video, mag-slice tayo ng mulukia guys. So, slice tayo ng mulukia. Kasi may menu is today. So, yeah. So, punta na tayo. So, ito yung lunch nila guys. Kailangan siyang pino talaga. So, that's all my video today. So, thank you for watching. Bye!